We're going to be premiering Kyadala, It's Real.
So what's up everyone, thank you so much for watching again. Now this is my kind of event, alright? This is Kyadala, a series that is going to be running on NBS, and we're having the premiere right now. We've been having trailers running for like how long? Like forever. Now this is the time. You see how we are boarding. Okay, this is not really my car, I mean I could get the point, but this is how our superstars came today. There's another killer one. The others. What's happening is we're at Kingdom Kampala right now, and the premiere is actually happening. We're supposed to be inside, but we are here. We came a little bit late. No worries, I'm still going to make you a part of it. Courtesy of NBS, Reach Your Hand. So this is it. Reach Your Hand is like one of those organizations actually elevating the youths. They've been all over making tours. They brought you sugar. Now they're bringing you Kyadala. There's a whole lot more stuff coming. If I can just make you a part of it, please, if you can join me. This is why we had the place. Like I said, we came in a little bit late. These are the cars that we stars are bowling in. And for those of you who know, NBS has a show called Catch Up. It happens every Friday. And today is a Friday. I forgot to tell you that. That's why I'm in this kind of mood. We are really excited tonight. And Catch Up is going to happen here tonight for the first time. It's at Kingdom Kampala. So Catch Up is going to happen at Kingdom Kampala for the first time. That's the stage. That's Zara Tutu right here. That's the NBS crew. Keep walking. Johnny Walker was also a part of this. I want you to be a part of it, but we are going to have the premiere tonight, right now. Come.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
How far is Reach Hand stretching to make sure that we are touching the lives not only of people, young people in Uganda, but across Africa and of course to the rest of the world?
We're going to make it massive that the message reaches each and every one of these young people.
And we see himself. Chief.
Yes, sir.
You are that. Are you that guy or you are?
I'm not that guy. That is Mr. G and Mabisa.
I understand.
Yes.
Let me give you people credit. We've not had that kind of production. I have not personally. We have not had this kind of production before.
Okay.
What has changed from what you guys have been producing to what you people produce now?
I think it has been having more passion about making.
Yes.
Giving it your best, taking to invest the best you can make a good production, because we also want to have the confidence of Ugandans in Ugandan production.
Yes.
To give it our best, yeah.
Guys, if you do not catch this on NBS, this production is, I stand no ground to actually judge it, but to me it was top class. I saw people like Rukman Ali. How much would have this entire production cost you for this one particular episode I've just seen that was really, really marvelous?
I think it was very costly, because everything was costly, from the equipment to the actors,
casting.
the crew,
Yes, yes,
everybody came at a price, but then again, like Humphrey mentioned earlier, he also had to do a lot with a gentleman's agreement. It didn't have to be about the money,
Yes.
but about
That would be what you're trying to achieve.
About the passion to make a good project. Yeah. Yeah.
Now we say himself, you people, let me tell you, I'll be honest with you. I have watched it from the start to the end. Your acting as what again?
Mr. G.
Mr. G was a class teacher, right?
Yeah.
I don't know why we are spoiling it for these people right now. You tell these people what to expect right now until they get to watch it on NBS television, courtesy of Richard Hand, Johnny Walker Talent Africa. This is a big project.
I think people should expect a lot of entertainment, a lot of fun, let them expect to have a good time watching Kyadala.
This was deep. I really felt it. The production. If you have watched Sugar from Richard Hand, this is Sugar, but it's actually Ugandan. I did not know we Ugandans could actually pull off something like that.
Now you know.
Now we know. All right. Thank you so much for really ripping. I really appreciate.
Pleasure.
You really have to catch this one. You have no idea what's going on. This is bigger than we actually thought it was. Come on, let's get more information.